Since the Paris Agreement, COP21, the world has committed to limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Yet the primary focus has remained on emissions accounting and carbon trading, rather than physically restoring the cryosphere. SnowPanel asks a different question. If the Paris Agreement defines the temperature target, what scale of engineering would be required to physically help achieve it? The world's largest flood control pumps, like those at the IJmuiden Pumping Station in the Netherlands, already move 50,000 liters of water every second, around 4 times the capacity of a single 200,000 GPM SnowPanel model pump. Under the SnowPanel thermodynamic model, approximately 85 IJmuiden-scale megapumps, operating continuously for 10 years, could process enough seawater to create an ice mass equivalent to approximately 60 centimeters spread across Antarctica's entire surface. Under the same model, approximately 7.5 years of operation would generate about 45 centimeters Antarctica equivalent ice mass and 388 gigatons of CO₂ removal, corresponding to a modeled cooling of approximately negative 1.5 degrees Celsius. Extending operations to 10 years would produce approximately 720 gigatons of snow and ice, remove approximately 520 gigatons of CO₂, and correspond to a modeled cooling approaching negative 2.0 degrees Celsius. The question is, therefore, no longer whether humanity can move water at this scale. We already can. The question is whether the governance systems created to achieve the Paris Agreement's temperature goals are prepared to evaluate restoration-scale engineering with the same urgency as the cryosphere risks they acknowledge. SnowPanel proposes that meeting Paris may ultimately require not only reducing emissions, but also restoring the Earth's natural cooling systems through industrial-scale cryosphere restoration. This version keeps the distinction clear. Paris sets the target. SnowPanel proposes one engineering model for helping achieve it, rather than implying that the Paris Agreement itself specifies a required amount of ice. SnowPanel science, technology you can build today.